Hey gorgeous, welcome to your ultimate guide to achieving that flawless, radiant complexion you've always dreamed of. Ever wondered how to get that amazing, radiant complexion everyone's talking about? You know, the kind that makes you look like you just stepped out of a high-end spa? You know, the one that looks so healthy and luminous it seems like it's glowing from within? It's not just a dream, it's totally achievable. That, my friends, is glass skin. This beauty trend has taken the world by storm, and for good reason. Inspired by the flawless complexions often seen in K-beauty, glass skin is all about achieving a smooth, even-toned, and unbelievably dewy look. Imagine your skin looking so clear and reflective, it resembles a piece of glass. It's like having a permanent Instagram filter on your face, but totally natural. No more relying on apps to get that perfect selfie. The best part? Achieving glass skin isn't about expensive treatments or complicated routines. You don't need to break the bank or spend hours in front of the mirror. It's about giving your skin the TLC it deserves with a consistent and effective skincare routine. Simple steps done regularly can make a world of difference. Ready to unlock your inner radiance? It's time to embrace the glow and let your skin shine like never before. Let's dive into the ultimate guide to getting glass skin at home. From the right products to the best techniques, we've got you covered. Get ready to transform your skincare game and achieve that enviable glow. Think of your skin like a canvas. Before you start creating a masterpiece, you need a clean slate, right? That's where double cleansing comes in, the holy grail of any glass skin routine. This two-step cleansing method involves using an oil-based cleanser first to break down makeup, sunscreen, and excess oil. Then follow up with a water-based cleanser to remove any remaining impurities and leave your skin squeaky clean. Why double cleanse? Because it ensures every trace of grime is gone, allowing your other skincare products to work their magic more effectively. Trust us, your skin will thank you for it. Exfoliating is like giving your skin a mini facial at home. It's a crucial step in any skincare routine that helps maintain a healthy, glowing complexion. It's about gently removing dead skin cells that can clog pores and lead to breakouts. These dead cells can accumulate over time, making your skin look tired and lifeless. By getting rid of these cells, you not only prevent clogged pores, but also make your complexion look more vibrant and youthful. Exfoliation helps in reducing the appearance of fine lines and uneven skin tone. By sloughing away those pesky flakes, you'll reveal brighter, smoother, and more radiant skin underneath. This process also allows your other skincare products to penetrate deeper and work more effectively. There are two main types of exfoliants, chemical and physical. Each has its own unique benefits and can be chosen based on your skin type and concerns. Chemical exfoliants use gentle acids to dissolve dead skin cells. These are great for those with sensitive skin as they are less abrasive. On the other hand, physical exfoliants use tiny granules to scrub them away. These are perfect for those who prefer a more hands-on approach and can see immediate results. Choose the type that suits your skin best and exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week for best results. It's important to listen to your skin and adjust the frequency based on how it responds. Remember, be gentle. Over-exfoliating can irritate your skin and do more harm than good. Always follow up with a good moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and protected. With regular exfoliation, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and overall appearance. So make exfoliation a part of your skincare routine and reveal your natural radiance. After cleansing and exfoliating, it's time to restore your skin's natural pH balance with a toner. Toners are like a refreshing drink for your face, hydrating and prepping your skin to better absorb the next steps in your routine. Look for toners that are alcohol-free and packed with skin-loving ingredients like hyaluronic acid, green tea extract, or rosewater. These ingredients will help soothe, hydrate, and balance your skin without stripping away its natural oils. Essence is a staple in Korean skincare, and for good reason. This lightweight, watery formula is packed with concentrated doses of hydrating and brightening ingredients that penetrate deep into your skin. Think of Essence as a tall glass of water for your face, quenching its thirst and plumping it up from within. Applying Essence regularly can help improve your skin's texture, reduce the appearance of pores, and give you that coveted dewy glow. Serums are like the superheroes of the skincare world. These potent formulas target specific skin concerns, such as acne, hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and wrinkles. Whether you want to fade dark spots, boost collagen production, or simply hydrate like a pro, there's a serum out there for you. Do your research and choose a serum that addresses your specific skin needs for maximum impact. Section 7. Moisturize like your life depends on it. Seriously, hydration is key to achieving that plump, dewy look that defines glass skin. Moisturizers act like a protective barrier on your skin, locking in moisture and preventing dehydration. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Lightweight gels for oily skin, creamy lotions for normal skin, and rich creams for dry skin. Apply it generously morning and night for a healthy, hydrated glow. Section 8. Sunscreen, your BFF for life and glowing skin. Sunscreen is non-negotiable, people. Not only does it protect your skin from harmful UV rays that can cause premature aging, but it also helps prevent hyperpigmentation and maintain an even skin tone. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every single day, even on cloudy days. Trust us, your future self will thank you for it. Section 9. Beyond Skincare Extra Tips for a Lit from Within Glow. Achieving glass skin isn't just about what you put on your face. It's also about what you put in your body and how you treat yourself. Your lifestyle choices play a crucial role in how your skin looks and feels. Let's dive into some holistic tips that can help you achieve that coveted lit from within glow. Here are some extra tips to boost your glow. Hydrate from within. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and plump. Water is essential for maintaining the elasticity and suppleness of your skin. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and consider adding a slice of lemon or cucumber for an extra refreshing twist. Eat your greens, and reds and oranges. Load up on fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats for a nutrient-rich diet that will benefit your skin. Foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals can help protect your skin from damage and promote a healthy complexion. Think of your diet as a rainbow. The more colorful your plate, the better. Beauty sleep is real. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night to allow your skin to repair and regenerate. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode, fixing damage from the day and producing new cells. A good night's sleep can make a noticeable difference in your skin's appearance. Stress less, glow more. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as read the Bible, meditation, or spending time with God and in nature. Chronic stress can lead to skin issues like acne and dullness. Incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine can help keep your skin looking vibrant and youthful. Remember, a calm mind leads to a glowing complexion. Your journey to glass skin starts now. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to embark on your journey to achieving that coveted glass skin glow. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your routine, be patient with your skin, and enjoy the process of becoming your most radiant self. What are your favorite tips for glowing skin? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, stay beautiful!